Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I've got a pretty interesting little guide today. It's about an AI called Midjourney, and it allows you to merge any sort of a text search into an art form. So here are some that I created earlier. This one's a cyberpunk Star Trek merger. This one's a little bit more descriptive. And these are all the ones I've created so far. I've maxed out my free trial, so I need to make another account to try it, but you do get a significant amount. These are Pokemon vs. Harry Potter, Red Dead Redemption 3, and as you can see, there's some pretty impressive stuff. Some of the stuff from the community, these are the most popular ones generated out of the community servers, and it's pretty incredible what they're getting. So that's the terms they searched to get that image, and obviously they probably refined it a little bit. But this is the AI out of Discord, so I'll show you how to set this up and how to use it. It's not as easy as you might think, but it's not impossible either. So the first thing you need is a Discord account. Once you've set up a Discord account, you can do everything else. So if you don't have a Discord account, you won't be able to start using this. I'm going to use the web version for now, but you can use the app. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is go to the following website. I'll leave a link in the description. And click sign in with Discord. So this is where you'll need your Discord account. Once you click that link, you'll be taken over to the Discord page and you'll need to sign in. I'll just sign in and then we can get started. Okay, now that you've signed in, you'll have to accept the usual authorizations. This is what it requests. Just accept it if you agree. If not, you won't be able to use it. So I authorize to use it. And it will take you to this page, and this is your account. Now just click up here on the Midjourney name in the top left hand corner and it will jump you back to this page. Now go here and click join the beta. Then you'll accept the invite. There's a lot of people in here at the moment, so it does get a little bit complicated in a few seconds. So accept the invite. I'm going to cancel this because I'm going to stay within the website, so continue. Okay, so now you are in the Midjourney server. So here you'll see all the channels. If you're familiar with Discord, this will be pretty easy. If you're new, it might be a bit complicated. But there's a few new rooms here, so just jump into the newcomer room. Just click on it once, and you will see all the stuff people are generating. And you'll have to basically fight your way through the content. So essentially down the bottom here in the chat, just click and go /imagine and then enter what you want to enter. So we'll just do a random one. Star Wars, Star Trek, Space Battle, and see what happens. Okay, so now you'll see this moves really fast. So that's our little project here. It'll take a little while to generate, and it is amongst the entire feed. So once it completes, you've got to scroll down and find where your completed project is in the list. It is a bit of a pain in the ass, but it's the way it is for the free version. So if you do want to subscribe, you'll get this in a private channel, so everything you do is confined just to yourself. So it's easy to follow, easy to track. I'll leave you to investigate all the subscription stuff. I'm not really that interested in it, but it's all there if you need to. This one's looking kind of interesting, I guess. Okay, almost generated. You can see some of these other ones are pretty impressive, and you can see what they've actually used as their inspiration. So, okay, ours is finished. We can scroll down, and that's our little image here. Pretty cool. Yeah, I can see the vibes in there. Also here you've got some upscaling options, and I believe some options to sort of change things. So we'll just try V4, and it will start to generate a new one. Okay, so this is our next project here coming out of that image. So we'll refine it from within that image. Okay, so that's what we got out of the next one. Kind of weird, but not bad. So that's essentially it. You can do as much as you want in here. I found the best way to sort of get results is if you jump back over to the community feed and just see, just hover the mouse over the user and see the keywords they're using. And so I guess most of these images are probably refined. So they've got these really, really impressive results. But that's basically it. That's all I know on this so far. It is pretty new. It is still in beta, so I guess it's going to get better. But anyway, that's it. So if you found that useful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and share some of the images below too. Just whack them on Imgur and whack a link down in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys get. Thanks for watching. See you next time.